Hello, my name is R. Manisa Achari. I am from Barampur, Odisha. I'm from cohort Doha Beach from Alma Better. This project is named Introduction to Computer Programming. In this project, I have solved 30 programming questions. Out of 30 questions, I will explain five of them. First, uh, first let me explain the scoreboard operator program. Um, in this program, there is a tournament, Alma Better Cricket Tournament. In this tournament, there is a team called Team London has played total 8 matches. Out of 10, out of 8 matches, they won 4 matches, lost 3 matches, and draw one. Sorry. For each win, they will gain 3 points. For each draw, they will gain 1 point. For each lose, they will get 0 point. So the task is to calculate the total number of points gained by Team London here. So this program, in this program needs simple arithmetic operations to secure the proper output. So here I have defined variables and values. Total number of wins is 4. Total of draws is 1. Total number of losses is 3. Points for each win, draw, or lose here. So total point is equal to wins multiply with points per win. Draws multiply with the points per draw. Plus losses multiply with the points per loss. So after these calculations, I will get some answer like what actually points they gain. So here print function is used to print something on the console. Here total point gained by Team London is 13. Then the next program is here is a, here is another program finding total A's in the book self. What this program tells means there is a bookstore where where we have some books. We have to find the count of letter E from the book names. How many the letter E is available in the title of the books. So here the list of books. Books equal to one book is Python for everyone. Then learn Python the hard way. Third is Python crash course. Fourth is starting out with Python. Fifth is automate the boring stuff with Python. So the task is we have to find the total number of E's are available in these books title. So first, just this is a whole string. So these all books are stored in a string named books. We have to split the each book title. That's why I have used the split function and then store in a book list named book list. The string will be splitted by the comma operator. So where the system encounter the comma, the this split will be executed on that. Means the that string will be parted from that point. So here I can see one comma, here I can see another comma. So this is one string, this is another string, likewise. So in a list, I will have every book names, and I will take a variable name to store the number of E's I will encounter in further. So E underscore counts. I'll just take some variable and assign the 0 to that. For to assess the list, I will use the for loop to assess each book one by one. So here is the book list where I have all the names of books, and this is some indexed like. So for book in book list, it will assess one by one. So E counts, this is the counter I have taken to store the how many books, how many E's are in that books. So plus equal to, this is the operator to store this. This equals to, this is means something like, sorry, okay. This lost equal to means um, E underscore counts equal to E underscore counts plus then whatever it will be. I have to add it in that. This is the concept for this plus equal to operator. Just make a comment. And this here is a count operator. This program does not tell any case sensitive or insensitive, though. That's why I will store the small e and big e, the both. That's why I have used two. Like book dot for each book, there will count if there is any small e available, and how many small e available, plus with, sorry, plus with how many capital E is available, and then added both of them values, and then store it to the e counts. For for each book, there will be check of small e and capital E if there is available, or else there will be 0. And if after counting, it will store every time it will store that value to e underscore counts variable. And then in this statement, I will print just in this statement, I will print how many is are available in that list of books. So if I execute this program, then the total count of is in the list of books is 8. So here this is a capital E, there is a small e 2, there is a small e 3, here is 4, here 5, then here is 6, then here is 7, and one I think I have missed something. Here is 8. Yes, correct. Total number of 8. The next program is indexing. This is an interesting concept. Indexing and slicing means um, extracting a particular character or particular value from a string. Slicing means extracting a substring from a string. So here there is a list of Marvel what's list of characters for Marvel movies, right? So Avengers, X-Men, Spider-Man, and extras. Marvel Wars list to store these values. Here is the list of characters. So I will execute first it. Then here is the task for us. You want to narrow down the list of last 6 characters in the list. Means I have to extract last 6 characters. Namor, Doctor Strange, Wolverine, Captain America, and Black Widow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Thor. Sorry. So these 6. I have to extract these 6 out of Marvel words list. So for this, I have used the slicing operator. What the slicing operator syntax is? Slicing syntax is like some variable, then start start index, then end index, then increment like steps. Sorry, steps. So mm, so here at the Marvel variable, this is a list. So here start index is nothing. So it by default it will take 0. Then -7 means here is here and step is -1 means we can index from starting to end and ending to start. So here -1 means we will assess the values or assess the values of a list from last. So last is here. Last is Namor. So first it will print Namor. Then second last is Namor. Then second Doctor Strange. Then Wolverine, Captain America, Black Widow, up to Thor. So it will start from -1 to -7. S set -7 means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. So it won't include the -7. It will only print up to -6. That's the case. So these are the desired output we will gain after this slicing part. Here is another question. There is a task like create 2 teams of superheroes. We have to create 2 superhero teams based on their index position. Okay. One team should consist of all the characters located at even index position. So we have to store 2 teams. We have to store the characters in 2 teams. First, that even the first team will include the even index. So who are in the even index position, where they will be teamed as one, and who are in the odd index position, they will be teamed as another. Likewise, so here nothing is here is also I have used slicing. So if there is nothing, this will consider 0, and if endpoint is empty, then this will automatically consider the last element of the list. So here the last element number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So the last one is 11 means 10, 0 to 10. Step is 2 means we have to skip one, like first Avenger, then it won't contain X-Men. It will skip the next, then it will 1 and 2. So step is not 1. This is 2 means Avenger, and then Spider-Man, then Hulk, then Black Widow. Likewise. So If I'll execute this, sorry, this not this one, this one. Mm, okay, there is two team. First team one. Team one will Avengers, Spider-Man, Hulk, Black Widow, Wolverine, as I explained. And team two will be this. There is a task for storing only, then I will comment it. Third task is store the word Spider-Man in a new variable and slice the word spider from it. Okay, I have stored Spider-Man in Spider-Man variable. So Marvel words 2 means Spider-Man is in index position of 2. Okay, let's. This is 1, 0, 1, and 2. So Spider-Man is in index position of 2. So, as I have to extract that Spider-Man string, I will use the index position of that list. So Marvel words of 2 that will extract the Spider-Man string and store in the Spider-Man variable. Then from that variable, Spider-Man variable, I have to extract the spider word, only spider word. So spider word from Spider-Man, I will string is Spider-Man. So S is for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last is 5. So 0 to 5 by default, if I will skip this step, then it will by default take 1. So I have to include the R. That's why this is a 5. So I will increase the value by 1 and this will become 6. So it will slicing will extract the 0 to 6 and excluding that sixth part and fifth up to fifth. So this will return the only spider word and stored in the spider slicer word and print, and it will be print as spider only. Next is like also store the word Iron Man in a variable and use the reverse indexing to reverse it. So Iron Man is the position of 3 index and I am store in a Iron Man variable. And to reverse indexing means we have to just here step will be -1. Then it will take the slicing in reversing order, last to first. So here, if I execute again, it will print. Look, IRONMAN, Iron Man. It reversed as because I have used -1 reversing slice. Next program is sorry, this. Okay, let me explain this one. Here is a program. This program has means what it tells. There are there is a store, the fruit store, and the store keep The storekeeper keeps track of availability of each fruit type in separate sets. The storekeeper wants to know which fruits are available in both tasks, which fruit are unique to each basket, and total number of fruits available. So my our first task is to this storekeeper wants to know which fruits are available in both baskets. Means there is a one basket one. The basket one contains apple, banana, grapes, orange. And basket two contains banana, mango, pineapple, orange. So our first task is to um, retrieve which fruit is available in both the basket. So here we can see the banana. Here is banana, and here is orange. Here is orange. So the answer should be banana and orange. Let's come to the program. Okay, for the task here, find only the common fruits in both baskets. Which fruits are available in both the baskets? If I will execute, you can see. Okay. First, find the total number of fruits available. To calculate the total number of fruits available, we use the length function. Length function here the length of basket one plus length of basket. This will calculate the how many fruits are available in basket one and how many fruits are available in basket two. And after addition, it will store the value into the variable total fruits. So the total number of fruits available is here 8. And second task is find the fruits available in both baskets. Which fruits are available in both the baskets? So here is an OR operator. This operator is used to find which like intersection. This operator is used to intersection means like set intersection, which is used to which used to check if if what is the common value between both the baskets. So in both the basket, there was common. Oh, find fruits available in both basket means this is find will total. So this both in both basket these are the total. This will remove the duplicates, and then end operator. This is common fruits. This is used to find the common fruits available in both the baskets. So here is a common banana and orange. So you can see here banana, orange and orange. So next, find fruits unique to each basket means um, like minus operator. Here I have used minus operator means what this statement means. Where the basket one, the fruits available in a basket one and the fruits available in basket two. Um, like apple and grape. Like I will explain. Here apple, banana, but banana is available in basket two. So this will not include. And orange here orange and orange. So it won't include in the unique basket one. So it will unique basket one will be only contain the values of first basket which are not in the second basket. So which are in basket one but not in basket two, that will store in a unique basket one. So here apple and grape, and second basket which are in basket two but not in basket one, that will store in unique basket two, and here print. So mango and pineapple, like banana is here, so the banana is here, so it will skip this one. And mango is not here, not in basket one, so mango will be included in unique basket two. Pineapple is not in basket one, so pineapple will include in a unique basket too, and orange is there, so it will skip. So this unique basket 2 will store only mango and pineapple. Likewise. And my next program, there is a game, building a guessing game. In this activity, we have to build a game, guessing game. The game will generate the game will generate a random number between 1 to 100, and the user will have to guess the number within a certain number of tries. So the program will provide hints to users for each guess, telling them whether the guess is too high or too low. So in this program, I have to use the random just to generate the random number between 1 to 100 for guessing. So I have used the random module. Was the random module is a built-in Python module to provide a suitable function for generating random numbers and sequences. So uh, instruction, first import the random module and generate random number for the game. To import random module, we have to just write import and random. To generate random number between 1 to 100, I have to use from random module, I have to use the random int function. So random dot random int function, and with the range, the starting range and the ending range. Just because of I have to generate the random number between 1 to 100, I have used the starting range is 1 and the ending range is 100. And what number will be generated will be stored in secret number. Then here I have taken chances 10. We have just have 10 chances to guess the number. Counter to check how many chances we have lost. Flag. I'll explain why flag. So I have to start the game. So here while loop is used to start the loop. How many guesses are there? Mine and how many numbers? So here counter is 0 just because a counter is 1. 1 less than equal to chances. This is because counter is 1. This is because we have just started the game. So here number, let's store the number from the input function what user will be put into the system. So enter the here enter a number to guess 56. I have first entered the 56. So the system will check if what the user has given is equal the secret number generated by the system or not. If the user number and the system number is same, then this statement will be printed, the congratulations statement. If the statement will be printed, the flag will be 1, and break statement is used to skip out of that particular loop. And if user will be success in this stage, then it will come out of that loop. And here the check. If flag is 0, then run out of the tries. The secret number is what will be the secret number? What is the secret number that will be printed? Else it will just go. Then if that number is not matched, then it will come to the next check. Else if this is the short form elif. Else if number is less than secret number, means what user thinks is less than the system number, then this is the tip to user. choose the greater number, because you have, just because you user have chosen the smaller number, just to be choose the greater number. And you have how many chances, the counter will be increased every time. It will chances 10, and counted is this in this loop counted is 1. So 10 minus 1, you have just 9 chances. Keep track, and counter will be increased. And if greater than, then choose a small number, and counter will be oh, increased. Just let me run and again show you how it actually works. If I'll guess some 70 number first, then okay, choose greater number. So 89, choose greater number. Okay, 92 greater 4. Okay, greater 98, 99, 100. Okay, so system have chosen the number 100, and I have guessed the number in 4. Means I have guessed the number in 6 tries. I have left only 4 tries, so I have guessed the number correctly in 6 tries. Okay. And next, then my next program is the last. Yeah, bank. Here is a program named Bank Account Management System. There is a bank where we have to manage bank accounts, deposits, withdrawals, funds, and view account details. So, define a bank account class. Here, class name is bank account. Diff is a function. Init function, in init function, will pass the name, account number, and balance. Name means the username. So in self.name, we will store the name. Self.account number will store the account number. Self.balance, we will store the balance. In deposit, for deposit function, here is another function, deposit function. In deposit function, the parameter is amount, means how much amount the user will deposit into the bank, and this amount will be add into the balance variable. Whatever the balance is in user account, the addition deposit will be added into that balance, and a statement will be printed to the user that deposit successful, your deposit successful. And what is the balance? Your balance is something. Here is another function, withdrawal function. In withdrawal function, the user will enter the amount, how much amount the user wants to withdraw from the bank, and how much amount will be user want to withdraw from the bank, that will be deducted from the balance. The total balance available in the user's bank minus that amount. If the amount is less than balance, if amount the what the user have in the balance in their bank, if the user will enter the more higher amount, then it will return another statement. You have insufficient balance, your current balance is something like that. Here is another function for showing the account details, means what is the name of the user, what is the account number, and what is the balance. after this withdrawal, deposits and all. So let's execute and here is the test cases. So let me show you one by one. Here, account one. This is the object of the class bank account. This object will hold this is the name, this is the account number of the user, and this is the initial balance of the user. Name is John. John has the account number this and balance 1000 in his account. And next is account one dot deposit. This will call the deposit function. Yeah, this will call the deposit function. Account one dot deposit 8000. The John has previously 1000 in his account and another deposit has done 8000. Total is 9000. Your deposit successful, your balance is 9000. Then next is deposit of 550. So what will be 9550? Yeah. Second transaction. In third transaction, he has asked for account details. So the account details is name is John, account number is here, and balance is 9550. In next transaction, he has withdraw 860 rupees. So after here withdrawal successful, your new balance is 8619. And in next transaction, he has withdraw another 400. So after deduction of another 400, his bank balance is 8290. And his last transaction is account details, for asking account details. So here is the account details. Name is John, account number is something, and balance is 8290. So after so many transactions, he has lost 8290 rupees in his bank. These transactions have done as per these instructions. So these transactions have done as per these instructions. So here was my five fifth program. Thank you so much.